Oh, what you got there? Another dust cap. Huh.
Wow.
Because they don't glue the bottom of the cone, there's no glue up in that joint from the bottom.
So hard against it.
Yeah. So that's where the glue line is on top, and it just cracks the shit out of the former.
Well, we could
on camera you can see the cracks better than you can in person. Damn. Ooh. Push on his glass once. Sounds good. Yep. Yep, you just had the emissions of 1 million Priuses in one startup. Here's another thing the in-longs won't do. Puff up. Woo! What about it? That's the coolest part about the whole car, man.
the curve to it, yeah.
This?
No.
Yeah. PRC. Where is PRC? Puerto Rico, Cuba is what you said?
Puerto Rico. Maybe Cuba.
Where's PRC?
Half of it's Puerto Rico, half of it's Cuba. PRC.
Well, that box says made in PRC. Where is PRC? These are common Soundqubed.
Providence? No. That's Rhode Island. That's alright.
See how those are two different words? Yeah, where's PRC? So if something said made in PRC on it, where would you think it comes from?
No clue.
People's Republic of China. Isn't that cool? Like the transformer in there?
That is just nuts, bro. This thing is fucking... That's the wow factor I'm talking about.
Great. You're talking about big amp. That's what Steve's telling you about.
That's the biggest one I've ever seen in person. I mean,
physically.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Longer, I've seen longer, like the HCCA, I think is probably longer.
I grabbed that thing actually. Like, it's not plastic.
Yeah.
It's like...
How much does it weigh?
I think it's like 90 pounds or 87 pounds, some shit like that. Got the Infinity Kappa 1 installed. 1-aught DD power wire from the front, 4 gauge ground right here in the back, short ground. Pair of kicker comp VRs wired to 2 ohm. Pioneer head unit, and it's all tuned and ready to go.
No matter what your faith is, I'm a creature.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more videos.